Today we'll walk through the process of reclaiming a screen. The goal is to completely remove the ink and emulsion so the screen is ready to be coated and burned again. Start by placing the screen with the ink side facing you. Use the garden hose to remove any loose ink before we introduce our ink remover. Spray the ink remover directly onto the image area. Next up is scrubbing the image area thoroughly. We use a dedicated brush for this phase to avoid contaminating the emulsion removal process later. Once the ink side has been scrubbed, flip the screen over and scrub it on the shirt side. This allows the ink remover to work through the mesh from both directions. Flip the screen back over and give it one more pass with the brush. Next up, use the garden hose and give it a good rinse. Now, repeat the rinse on the other side, making sure the water passes completely through the mesh to flush out as much dissolved ink as possible. With the screen on the shirt side, spray the emulsion remover across the image area. Flip the screen over and spray the ink side as well. Now, return the screen to the shirt side and allow a few moments for the emulsion to begin breaking down. You'll be able to see this in real time as the chemical begins to work. With the emulsion remover scrub brush, the one stored in the bucket specifically for this stage, spread the emulsion remover evenly across the shirt side. Once done, flip the screen over and repeat the process once more. Now for the fun part. On the shirt side, using the pressure washer, start by cleaning around the borders of the frame. Once the borders are clean, work left to right from top to bottom. Pay close attention as to prevent any missed areas. Flip the screen over to the ink side. Using the garden hose, rinse around the inside of the frame where ink can sometimes collect. Finish with one more pass across the entire mesh for good measure to remove any remaining residue. Flip the screen back to the shirt side. Inspect and remove any stubborn areas of emulsion, ink, haze, or debris with the pressure washer. That backlight inside the booth makes it much easier to spot tiny specks that might otherwise go unnoticed. This final inspection is very important. If anything remains in the mesh and the screen is coated and burned again, ink will not be able to pass through those blocked areas during printing. Once the screen is completely clean and free of contamination, it's ready to move on to the next stage of production.